a new autoresponder has just opened up and takes list marketing to a whole new level. It allows you to send unlimited emails, send unlimited text, send unlimited Facebook messages, and that's just the tip of the iceberg, all without ever having to pay a monthly fee. Hear that? No more monthly fee. It's a first of its kind product since it's the only platform that combines the three most profitable marketing channels under one central dashboard: email, text, Facebook Messenger. So what I want you right now is to stay tuned and watch the demo of how this actually works. So Joshua, the creator of this product, will be going through the demo with you soon. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and in this video I'm going to talk about a few of the features that we have built into Sendiio for this 2.0 grand opening, okay? And this 2.0 grand opening is actually a year in the making, since Sendiio has been open since February of 2019, and we are now a year into that for the grand opening in 2020, okay? And in that time frame, we've had over 6,000 marketers put their trust in Sendiio to get their messages delivered, and during that time and to date, we are delivering 1 million messages per day for those users, okay? So Sendiio has been around for an entire year. We've been improving it. People have been in here just, really putting it to work by delivering 1 million messages per day, and now we are at the point that we are ready to officially release a 2.0 version, because during that year we've also been receiving a ton of messages from those users to improve our system based on what they've been doing, how they've been making profit, what they've noticed that we can tweak and improve to make things better, faster, and more profitable for them. And now you, as a 2.0 user, can benefit from this entire year of improvement that we've put into Sendiio. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and talk about a few of these updates, and make sure that you also check out all the other videos on this page, check out all the other features, so that you can get a good idea of just how powerful Sendiio is and the amount of value that you're getting during this 2.0 grand opening. Okay, so I'm going to talk about a few of the 2.0 features that we've added, but we've added so much more, and I can literally put together an hour-long video of all the features that we've added, but I'm gonna go ahead and focus on the ones that can increase your profit the most, okay? So first things first, in no particular order, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the tagging automation system that we've built into Sendiio. So one cool thing is that we have a tagging system that you can tag a subscriber at multiple different levels, okay? You can add a global tag, you can add tags based at the form level, so as soon as they subscribe, from the moment they subscribe to your email list, you can tag them, and then you can tag them based on the actions that they take in your broadcast, okay? So if I go ahead and click add a broadcast, I'm going to show you just how powerful our tagging system is, okay? And it'll allow you to really create very targeted groups of people that you can follow up with based on those actions that they're taking, okay? So here, when I'm creating a new broadcast, I can go ahead and click add tag automation, and here it's saying that I should have at least one link in the email, because we do have links, we do have tag automations that you can create based on what links people click in your email. So I'm going to go ahead and add anyone that opens this email to this particular tag. So let's assume that the email that I'm going to be putting together is for SEO. Okay, so now I'm tagging everyone that opens this email into an SEO tag, so that now I know that they are interested in SEO, and I can send them more targeted emails based on SEO in the future. I can also remove them from a different tag that they are previously on. So if maybe they are on a different SEO list, but I'm going to be starting a new follow-up sequence for this new tag, I can go ahead and remove them from the old tag. Okay, and if I go ahead and add a link into this email, and do google.com, click OK, you'll see that now I can add clicking automation. Okay, so anyone that clicks on this email, I can add them to the SEO tag as well, and I can remove them from the old tag also. Okay, so now this is turning into a bit more of a targeted group, because now they are not only interested in the topic of SEO, but they're interested in the link that I mentioned for them to go to. Okay, so now that I know that they are a really targeted person for SEO because they actually clicked on the link that was in the email. Okay, so that is how you can create a tag based on the email actions that your users take. You can also come in here and just create an empty tag and then tag people globally from the very beginning. Okay, so I can create, come in here and put freebie subs, and I'll put freebie. All right, and just these are people that joined my list, haven't bought anything, and then I can enable tag automation from this point forward as well, from the very beginning, that if subscribers get added to this tag, then you can go ahead and add them to an additional tag as well at the very same time. You can remove them from a tag as soon as they join this one. So as soon as they buy something or they refund something, you can go ahead and tag them at that level as well. If they ever unsubscribe from a list, you can remove them from the tag as well. And you can go ahead and set this as a new empty tag. Okay, and I can go ahead and select what sending source I want to use to be able to start messaging this new tag as well. Okay, and I cover a bit of an overview of the different types of sending sources that you can use to get your emails delivered to your subscribers. Okay, from this point forward, you just hit create, and you can go ahead and create a tag for this name here. Okay, also at the form level. Okay, so if I go to my forms here and I go ahead and edit the form, and I'll go ahead and hit an input in here, click done editing, and you can see that now I can enable tag automation at the subscription level of my list. Okay, so as soon as someone joins my list, I can tag them from there. We also have the new agency grouping feature. Okay, this is very powerful for those of you that are going to be using Sendiio to run your agency, especially for local businesses. You can easily tap into a local business's built-in database, so like a pizza shop, a gym, whatever it may be, any type of local business that has a built-in database with phone numbers or email addresses. You can load them in here and start running follow-up campaigns for those local businesses, because we all know that making a repeat sale is easier than making a new sale, and our grouping feature allows you to make that process simple, because the last thing you want to do is, if you have a pizza shop in here and then you have a gym shop in here, you do not want to keep them all under the same account. So this allows you to create different groups and add the particular local businesses subscribers to their own unique group, and you can also give them access to that group, and you never have an accidental cross messaging of your clients with the wrong messages. Okay, and it also protects the privacy of their subscribers, so that you know that the only people getting access to these subscribers are your clients and yourself as the main account holder. From this point forward, you can also go into any one of these different groups and create campaigns inside of those unique groups alone. Okay, that allows you to keep everything nice and separate, and also give access to your clients so that they can go in and see the different stats or create campaigns on their own as well. Okay, we also have a new and improved stats system for campaigns. Okay, so if I come here to my broadcast once again, and I go ahead and click on this one here. Oh, whoops. That's another cool feature that we have as well, is the ability to publish your campaigns online. So you can send this to anyone that might have missed your email, or send it to someone on social media or whatever it may be. But what I wanted to show you was the stats page here, which we've done a complete overhaul, so that not only you can get a better picture of what's going on with your campaigns, but you can take several different actions based on what your subscribers are doing. So here you can see we have the total, the sent, the delivered, the bounced, the reported, the opened, the clicked, and the unsubscribed. Okay, so if I come here to opened, it'll give me the exact amount of people that opened, the unique people that opened, and then from here I can do even more. I can show the emails. I can email the people that opened, which should give me a lot more targeted audience because I know that they're interested in this subject. Or I can email the people that didn't open and get even more traffic by trying out a different subject, a different body, or whatever it may be, a different time of day, and get even more traffic. Okay, you can also export all this information and do even more with that offline as well. Okay, so this is a much improved stats system for your campaigns. We also have two-way text messaging now inside of Sendiio. So if I come here to SMS replies, you'll be able to not only see the replies that you're getting from your subscribers, but you'll also be able to add bot replies. Okay, so that's another update that we've done. We've added the ability for you to receive replies, but also add bot replies. So depending on what keywords you input here, okay, Sendiio will automatically deliver the reply that you create based on the keywords that people are replying to you with. Okay, another powerful feature that we've built in here is our auto link swapper feature. This is very powerful because I know I have many times sent out the wrong link in an email to a group of subscribers, and it just kills that email because the email is either broken, the link is either broken, or the link is going to the wrong offer. So within seconds, you can come in here and change out the link to any one of your campaigns so that it goes to the right place. Or if you wanted to go to a better converting page, you can do that as well, and make a lot more profit because you can instantly direct the traffic anywhere you like for any campaign that you sent out. Okay, so this prevents you from never ever sending out a broken link again, because you can correct that within seconds. You can use this to send traffic to a better converting page or whatever it is you want. Okay, you can send it to absolutely any link that you'd like. Okay, we also have the simple importing from any file. Okay, so we greatly improved the way that you can quickly and easily import your lists into Sendiio. Before we had a template that you had to download and re-import, but now we've made it so that you can export from any other autoresponder, make very little changes as long as it has an email column, and just take that file and import it directly into Sendiio. Okay, so you can literally go to Aweber, go to GetResponse, export your list, bring it over to Sendiio, and import it as is, and it'll pick up not only all the emails but any other additional fields that are in that file. Okay, we also have double opt-in and custom confirmation emails that we've built into Sendiio. This is very important for those of you that have to follow certain regulations for your the country that you're in and the laws that you have to follow. But here we have normal and double opt-in. Okay, so not only do you have double opt-in at the form subscription level, but for anyone that you import manually. And to take that even further, we also have the ability for you to customize the confirmation email that gets sent out if you have to include some additional regulation text in your confirmation email. All right. We also have a new what you see is what you get editor when you're creating an email broadcast. All right, so this allows you to really style your emails however you like, and really get them looking nice before you send them out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the save to draft. That's another feature that we've added, the ability to automatically save your work so that you don't miss out on work that you've previously done. So here is a complete what you see is what you get editor. If you do have some coding abilities as well, you can switch over to the source and get really creative with how your emails look. Okay, and we also have a ton of integrations that we've added into Sendiio with other third-party platforms like different page builders, different list building software, and a ton of other different things. Okay, so we're gonna have a full overview of all the updates below. I just wanted to put together this video to kind of show you inside of Sendiio, and you can actually see some of the updates that we've created. And again, the ones that I've covered in this video are ones that will allow you to make it easier, faster, and more profitable for your business. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you check out everything else on this page, and I look forward to seeing you inside of Sendiio.